Okay, so what is a value proposition? Anybody want to give this a shot? We're going to go for the marketing perspective on this, just as a heads up, since there can be many different definitions of this. But anybody have an idea? Matt, do you have the mic or somebody? Perfect. Do you want to toss it to Jordan?
Something that helps you stand out from the competition.
Something that helps you stand out from the competition. Awesome. Other ideas. What is a value proposition?
Something that proposes value.
Something that proposes value. Jeremy. I can always count on Jeremy to be super literal. Yes, definitely. Something that proposes value. Spot on.
Rachel, are you talking about like company value propositions or like personal agent propositions?
We'll touch on both.
Okay.
Awesome. So you guys hit the nail on the head, right? It's either an innovation, a service, or a feature intended to make a company or product attractive to customers, right? Make us stand out. What is a value proposition? How do we look better than other people? How do we tailor our values and our service offerings to our clients for what they want, right? We don't want to word vomit all of our stuff and just hope something sticks. We really want to have a consultative approach and tailor this. So let's dive into that a little bit. So when we think about values from more of like a holistic or psychological perspective, values typically have to do with these three things, either relationships, results, or outcomes, right? Outcomes are kind of the universal thing here, but typically people are really focused on one or the other. If you guys have been through our DISC training, which most of you have, we talk about how different DISC profiles are either more relationship focused or more task or result focused, right? So typically people are going to value results or relationship more than one or the other, but what they both have in common is people value having a positive outcome. Everybody wants to have a good experience with whatever they're doing. So it's really important for us to understand these different values and who might value the relationship part more than the results or vice versa. So tapping into all of the DISC training that we've done and really honing in on that can help you give you a better sense for, is this person really more focused on results, how just this works from a business perspective, or are they more invested in the value having of a relationship with me and what that relationship looks like? So we're not going to go super deep into this today as we've done a lot of DISC training, but this is kind of a good frame of reference to keep in mind as you're building value props, that you're usually going to be more focused on the relationship itself or results, right? But either way, everybody wants a positive outcome.